Hey friend, welcome or welcome back. So today I have a bunch of stuff that I'm going to show you here today. A lot of the stuff is from different dollar stores, and then I have some stuff from Creatabeauty and Cutinails that I want to show you guys. So I'm going to get into the dollar store first, and then I'll go into the other products that I have. But girl, look at this pink glitter. Very pretty. And I think these were, I'm not sure, $1.25 or $2, but I don't think they were over $2. And then I found these green chrome powder. Now usually when I find this stuff I get doubles, but I did not. These are cute, but they have smiley faces on them, so they're kind of like an acquired taste. Some blue chrome powder, which I thought was so pretty. I used to love blue when I was younger. And some silver chrome powder. I'm going to try these out in another video, so make sure you're watching for that. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. I also found this palette of gems, rhinestones, and some pearls of all different sizes, like from big to small. I also found these flakes, which are really pretty. They're purple with like a blue hue to them, so I thought these were really gorgeous. And like I said, all the stuff that I'm showing you right now is from the dollar store. So I didn't get it all at once, but these ones are rhinestones as well, and these are multicolor rhinestones. As you can see, super pretty. And like not everybody can afford the like really expensive gems, so you know, you can offer them these. Also, I found a pink chrome powder, girl. What? I can't wait to try these out. I also found this mix match palette with like colored rhinestones with like those little flowers that are trending right now, little plastic flowers. So I found those, and they have like different sizes and colors in there as well. I found some stamping plates. This one has some really cute designs on here. And I also found this butterfly stamp plate, which has like different parts that you can like re-stamp into the bigger part. I hope that makes sense, but like there's pieces that go into the butterfly that you can put in there, and they like have different options. So that was really cool. So I want to try my stamping again. I also found these application sponges for like chrome powder or whatever you want to use it for. But I thought they were super cute because they're pink, obviously. And they were like $1.25. These were like $1.25, and they're like 3D gems. And then I found these are so cool. They're for like sculpting, and these are literally I think $1.25 or $2 too. And they have double-ended silicone tools with different ends to them. Then I found these ones, which are super cool. They have like every single one is different. Even the dotting tools are different. They have different shapes, different sizes, so you can do different things with them. But I really thought these were great for like molding small things, so I want to get back into that. So that was really cool to find these, and I think those were like $2. And this cute package is from my friends from Cutinails. Ash and Tess sent this over to me for review, and they are cuticle oils, and they're 100% natural and 100% organic, and they ship worldwide. They are amazing, and their cuticle oil smells so fresh and refreshing, like a beautiful lemon, like spa type of vibe that you get from this cuticle oil. It's literally amazing, and I love how it's not sticky. So huge shout out to Cutinails for sending this over for review. I've been using it for quite a while now, and I absolutely love it. And thank you for the cute packaging as well. I'll leave all their information down below so you can check them out. So I want to get into the stuff from Creatabeauty, girl, but first of all, let's check out this hemp. I want to try it on my hands just so you can see, because this stuff is amazing. The shimmer in here is so pretty and so light, and it's from Hempz. Look at the difference. This is called Glow Getter. It's a herbal body oil, and the fragrance is bergamot and warm vanilla. I've literally been using this like every single day since I got it, and I just love it. I'm obsessed, and I love how there's a hint of shimmer to it. Not too overpowering, but it is there, and I just love it. When you're in the sun, you're just like glowing. Like, I just love it. So pretty. Totally recommend. And they do have like other lotions and stuff from the Hempz line as well there, so definitely worth going in there and just looking around It's definitely a spot that you want to check out, especially if you're into nails. I think they have a wide variety. So I also got this really cool complete tortoiseshell kit, and I'm gonna have a video coming soon with me just working with this kit. These are some of the really pretty rhinestone palettes I picked up while I was there as well. They have different mixes, different sizes and stuff like that, and a bunch of other different colors that I did not get. But they have tons of stuff to look at, you know what I mean? So it's like hard to focus on anything, especially for someone like me. But this kit is the best kit because it has everything you need. It even comes with a little brush to do your little artwork or whatever, blend out your polishes. It comes with this kit, and every single color in this kit is specifically designed to do the tortoiseshell look. So the bottles are gorgeous. They're literally like unicorn holographic giving vibes, you know, I love it. But I'm really looking forward to doing some designs with this kit coming up. I have played around with it a little bit so far, but I really want to like do something, you know, like a set. But I will show you the little, like, one of the little designs I did with the polishes and stuff. And I was like happy with it at first, but then I realized I could have done better. So we're gonna keep playing around, and like I said, a video will be coming on this to try to get this look going. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of these products that I got. Let me know what you guys think down below, if you like these types of videos or not. And shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. I love you all so much. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.